There you go. Got one there. Ah, he got off. She didn't get a good hook set. I can email you a copy of this video too, I believe.
Got 6 more to go. How about you, Shane? How many have you caught? 5 more.
Get him. There you go. There, I got one in the back too. Pull down, pull down. That's a good fish. Up, another pole. Got 3 on. Had a 4th one, we didn't get it. There you go. John, you got 3 empty poles on the other side too. You need to work faster. You want me to video you not getting that fish in the net?
No, I can't. I keep getting sweat. I keep getting sweat in my eyes, man. I can't see the prey.
Oh, they're not working you that hard. It's only about 98 degrees out here.
Dang, Haley got a big one.
Yeah, she got a big one a minute ago too. She's having to show you guys how to fish. Y'all taking lessons from little sister?
We're having a fish fry tonight? No. Dang. The 7th of August.
Well, gonna pause it. We got 5 poles out of the water with no bait.